I've lost my touch with the wheelies.
Is this thing turned on?
Yep.
It's so sketchy doing them on the roads because I'm so many things I'm looking at that like I'm not focusing on what I'm even doing.
Yeah, I know.
So like the fact that it's just stupid and you get a lot of trouble for it, like I'm not even focusing on what I'm doing because I'm like worried about getting pulled over. There you go. Nice. That was smooth. Yeah. See if I can do one for my boy.
Yeah.
216.
You know,
Bike is hot.
you know what's weird about wheelies?
What? That there's some fun? Dude, my wrist already hurts after I do a couple of them.
It's so much easier to learn them at higher speeds.
Yeah, that's the truth too.
Most things are like you gotta crawl before you walk.
Exactly.
But like wheelies, it's easier just to be like moving.
Like if you're in second gear and I just pull this clutch in and just rev it almost like 3/4 like hard and just dump it, I would throw up a sweet wheelie and like probably land it pretty easy too.
That's what I do.
But I don't have the balls to do it. I've tried a few times going like a quarter throttle, and it's just like, it's actually worse because it pops you up just enough to scare you because it gives you the shakes.
See, that's the problem is like slow.
So you got to get it up or it's even more dangerous. You got to commit to it in second gear.
Like, so hard. Like most people can't even slow speed wheelie like at all. But
Yeah.
then, like high speed is easier, but the risk is higher.
Yeah, dude, I want to be able to do like circle wheelies. You probably have to get like a stunt sprocket, but like that'd be sick.
It'd be so hard. It's a lot easier too on a sport bike like that if you stand on those.
Yeah, stand on the back.
It's so much easier.
Yeah, once I get like really comfortable doing like 10 o'clock, like wheelies in first gear, then I'll try to stand up and do it and stuff.
Yeah. On the Ninja,
I'm just bringing it up and then trying to put it down soft. Like I'm not really like, trying to ride it, even though I probably could. I'm trying to, but I'm not even close to there.
Yeah, you gotta get used to just tapping that rear brake too. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm not even there yet because like just the weight pulls me down.
It saved me so many times on the Ninja. But on the Ninja, yeah, I used to just stand on the rear pegs and like second gear, no clutch, just start giving it throttle and lift, and it would just come up.
Yeah.
What gear have you been in?
First.
First gear is sketchy on this 4x.
Kind of is.
I've been in